Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about sketching people quickly. When you're outside and people are moving around, I've got 3 really good ways to help you do this. It's gesture, it's proportion, and it's shadow. Follow me. Okay, so each of these people are sketched using elements from lots of different people because people move and you can't easily see them. They don't stand still for you. So how do we start sketching people quickly? Well, we start by universal things. So for example, if you start with a person is a circle, there's a rectangle, and there is a triangle. Now a person is about 7 heads high. This is about the middle of a person, and those little things are really important to know. So we've got elbows coming to about just above the midline here. So if a person was walking away from me, I would sketch that rectangle, that triangle. I would pop in a little neck, and then I would look at how are they walking. Quite often we walking with one leg slightly in front of the other. So I would put a darker mark on the floor because that's where the weight is, and that's going to give weight to my person. I'm going to shade the leg that is further away from me. That gives the shading, gives you gravitas, gives movement to your figure. But by now that person's walked away. They're not there anymore. So that somebody else might come along, and that person may be, for example, having a rucksack on. Their shoulders may slope some more. So you do a little bit of alteration. You add a bag to your person. Then starts becoming a person, but they've gone again now. So now we don't have any hair still. So the next person walks along, and maybe they have like a messy bun. So we've got a bun at the top, and then hair coming out with some little bits to one side, and you just concentrate on that part of the person. So every time a person walks past that you're sketching, you're adding just a little bit of detail, and your person will emerge. I hope you found that useful and you'll be out sketching people before you know it. Come join the Academy and you'll find all sorts of foundation art techniques and other inspiration in a whole community of other artists just like you. Subscribe, like, you know what to do. See you on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.